Creating a Contact Us page on Blogger allows visitors to easily reach out to you. Here's how to create one. Create a new page. Log into your Blogger account and go to your dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Pages. Click the New Page button and choose Blank Page. Add content to the contact page. In the page editor, add the content for your Contact Us page. This typically includes your name or blog name, email address or other contact details, a short message encouraging visitors to get in touch. Add the contact form. To add the contact form, you can embed a form from Google Forms or Jotform. Create a contact form in Google Forms and click Send. Copy the HTML embed code and paste it into the HTML editor of your new Contact Us page. Publish the page. Once you've added your content, click Publish. Add the Contact Us page to your navigation. To make the page accessible, go to Layout, Pages section and add your newly created contact page to the navigation bar.